Hey guys, welcome back to another channel of AJP Garage. Just a quick update. This video is all going to be about, there's a really awesome show going on down in Long Beach right now. Well, it's going to be later this evening. It's going to be the head guy from Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, Han. He's going to be there present. It's in conjunction with Larry. I'll leave this channel down here somewhere. But yeah, really looking forward to going to this event. I missed the last one last year. I had some car details and stuff to take care of here. But this one's actually be really cool. I'm gonna take my wife with me. So it's really gonna be fun, and I'll hope to see you guys down there if you're there.
Twin turbo scream when the gates open wide. Carbon fiber shell with the ghost deep inside. Hydraulic kiss on a midnight run. Piston head hammer under setting sun. 0 to 100.
Hey, what's your cat's name? Cheddar? Oh, that's so cute. Cheddar? We have two little ones at home.
Oh, yeah. Get them started on these.
I know. They're already used to my exhaust and everything, so.
Oh, perfect, man.
That's so awesome, man. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.
Shift down, hit the ground, hear the iron roar. Let's go. Midnight chrome, yeah, we coming for more. Piston dominance, the mechanical king. Hear the exhaust when the asphalt sing. Hear the exhaust when the asphalt sing. Man in the machine, one heartbeat pulsing. Oil in the vein, yeah, the engine is consulting. Check the gauge, feel the heat, feel the metallic skin. Battle on the block, yeah, the beast's gonna win. Skirt round the bend, leave the rubber in the dust. Speed is a weapon, speed is a must. 6 gears deep, hear the turbo whistle loud. Moving like a lightning bolt through the heavy cloud. Engine breathe, mechanical. Shift the gear, we unstoppable. Hear the heat, feel the burn, wait for the light, watch it turn. Let's go. Shift down, hit the ground, hear the iron roar. Let's go. Midnight chrome, yeah, we coming for more. Piston dominance, the mechanical king. Hear the exhaust when the asphalt sing.
And one thing that's really cool that just came in is I got these new patches for various materials and whatnot, but one of them is going to be on my overalls right here. So this will be my official working in the garage outfit thing. Helps to keep my clothes clean from, I can't imagine, I remember how many pants I've actually messed up from being down here and getting grease and oil and stuff on them. But yeah, right now today, in the next video, you'll see just kind of the overall build. I'm going to be installing some Underglow on the VB, and it's going to be really good. It's going to tie in well and nice with the air suspension. So I've been hearing a lot of your comments. You're saying you want to see my face more, so I'm going to really try to start adding these in with various videos, either the beginning or the end, or having my voiceover, especially now that I got this DJI mic, which is actually really cool. So yeah, look forward to that, and catch you guys later in the video. Peace out.